Hi, welcome to project number 7 in Visual Basic. For this project, we're going to be creating a login window for Form 2. So we have two forms. We have our login window, and our second form is just basically says, welcome to the program about nothing, and then it closes. If you look at the login window, the first form, we have 3 labels, 2 text boxes, text box 1, text box 2, and a combo box, which has 2 items added, administrator and SD36. So this is how it's going to work. So let's run through it. You hit run. The username for mine is man. Password is, username is Mr. Man. Password is man teacher. And domain is, and here are the 2 options, administrator and SD36. To correctly log in, I need to select SD36, and then it opens up my program. Welcome to this program about nothing. Hit close. And that's basically what you're going to create today. Now, why would you need a login window? A login window provides a little bit of security to your program. So if you ever want to allow only users that have, if you want to provide users with a certain amount of access, you can give them a username and password and set that up in your program so only people that have that information can get into your program. So that's a quick way of a quick look at login windows. Now, Visual Basic actually has a template for creating login windows as well. It actually gives you a login form. This one we created from scratch. So we actually basically just created a blank form, added 3 labels, 2 text boxes, and a combo box. Now, the coding is basically an if statement. So what you want to do is, what we've done is we've basically coded the combo box with an if statement that strings 3 things together. So if textbox1.text equals Mr. Man and textbox textbox2.text equals man teacher and combo1.text equals SD36, then form2.show. And so this is how the code actually looks. I want you to get you to try this on your own. So that's the code there. And what you'll find is I'm going to basically write it for you. So this makes it a little bit easier. So if textbox1.text equals, in quotation marks, Mr. Man, lowercase, I keep everything lowercase. The key is you want to write and 3 times. So we're adding something to the if statement. So Mr. Man and textbox2.text equals, in quotations, man teacher, lowercase, and combo box, this is the last item, combo box 1.text equals SD36, and I put it in as lowercase, so I'm going to write it lowercase here as well. Last part, then form2.show. Enter. That was the line of code we just wrote. Hit play or run, and let's double check it again. Mr. Man, password is man teacher, and select domain SD36. And there you have it, Project 7. Welcome to the program about nothing. Hit close. Now, what you can do is, project number 7 is basically opening up a blank form, but if you want to, try going back to project 6 and adding a login window, just to kind of have the login for an actual program. Now, whatever your username and password is, although it's confidential, but just because this is a project, why don't you allow or place that username and password up here as a hint, so somebody who's testing it can get in. A person who might be testing it is myself. So if I ever want to test it in the future or mark it, I can basically look at what username and password you've provided, and then I'll figure out the domain, because there's only really going to be 2 options. Anyways, thank you. Take care. Good luck. Hopefully you enjoy.